Hi guys, good day. Today I'm going to unbox my freshly delivered TXT light stick. I bought it from Shopee via a Korean store there. Yeah, this is my second purchase from that shop, and the first one I ordered from them is my Stray Kids and Twice mini candy bongzi light sticks. So here it is. Bubble wrap, and he gave me a what card. This is just a freebie. Is this to you? Let's open it. The box is in mint condition. It doesn't have any dents. By the way, it's shipped out last February 24, and I received it just yesterday, February 27, and it's sealed here, but it's not sealed here. So let's unseal. No, I don't know. Curtain again, and the light stick. It's there. First is it got a Ziploc bag for the strap and the light stick pouch. This is strap. Moments of alwaysness and tomorrow by together. There. Tomorrow by together. And it also has the official light stick kit, instruction manual here, and the light stick. It's quite light. A protective sticker, and both sides it has protective sticker. You will put your strap on here. It also has a barcode and numbers and letters combination. It also has a QR scan from you can use in Webly. Let's check. We have here photo cards, just like in BTS Volume 3. And it's quite large. I have small hands. By the way, it's my tattoo of being an army. You just have to press these two circle on the side at the same time, and then you can push them at the back so it can go inside. And then this is for the battery. Press it, and then just have that. It's just 2 batteries of AA. The other side. Then you just have to clip it on. So this is how you operate the TXT light stick. This is button 1, button 2, and button 3. You will turn on and turn off the TXT light stick. In button 2, just press it for 2 seconds. Then standby mode for the light. Press the number 1 button for the slow, quick, and flash effect. For discover MOA, press the button 3 to make your light stick, and any light stick nearby flash green for 2 seconds. I tried it with my Givern light stick and it didn't it didn't function well. It will pair with the other TXT light stick nearby. You just have to press the button 3 and it will blink green for 2 seconds, and press 1 for 2 seconds for together mode. 1, 2, and then you can now press the number 3 button for the color changing. Again, green, light blue, royal blue, pink, red, orange, and green. So that's it. So you can party with your co-fan. You don't have to have an app to control the other colors for this TXT light stick, and it's very handy. You just press it. There you go. It's like a flashlight. So what we got inside the box for recap is the light stick, this light stick echo pouch, this strap, and this 5 photo cards of the members, and a Weebly QR code. And that's it, guys. I hope that this video of unboxing TXT is very useful for you. So see you on the next unboxing.